I go fast to escape my depression. I'm trying to be happy, but it's a little hard because I'm upset. I just took my car to wash it, like I took it outside, and I noticed there's a big old scuffy boy mark on my front bumper. And like, I know for a fact I didn't hit anything. It looks like it was done on purpose. I'm no expert, but it looks like it was done on purpose. Also, I apologize, this weather, this cold front coming in is making it like real windy. So sorry if my mic's a little, you know. But yeah, so on the front bumper, I'll put some pictures up. But there's like a little scuff mark. And it's not where the car sticks out the most on above it or below it. Like there's points that stick out further right above it and then a little below it. So I really feel like something kind of went out of the way to hit that right there. And I park it at college, and I normally take like in spaces and keep it away from everybody. But I mean, you know, if someone wants to walk by and kick it, which is what looks like happened, you know, I can't really do much about that. There's so much pink. What is going on? It's breast cancer month. But yeah, I'm a little upsetty spaghetti about that, so. Oh, it's all clear. Let's go. Yay. Better stop at that line, boy. I'll eat your face. Good old garbage boys doing the thing. But yeah, I really don't understand. Like, I know for a fact I didn't hit anything, especially right where it is. Like, I couldn't have hit anything because it would have hit something else first. So, I mean, does that look like it's done on purpose? I'm so upset about that. Not even like, I wouldn't even be as upset if I had hit something, but the fact that someone like damaged my car for whatever reason, like it doesn't look like it was an accident because of where it was. Obviously no one left a note or anything, but maybe someone was jealous that it's a nice car and kicked it. Like, I don't know. I had someone, my Mustang, the car I had last, somebody keyed it. I don't know, just people are dumb. Like, why are you gonna damage someone else's property? Like, do you want to fight? Like, if you got a problem, say it to my face. We'll go and throw hands, but I don't know. I wish I had noticed it when it happened so I could have checked the footage, the dash cam video, because then I would have, you know, with it being right in front of the car, I would have seen what happened, but it's too late for that. Oh well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. I go fast to escape my depression. On a happier note, I went out and took a few little short videos of my bike with the new fairings so I can make a new intro. I'll probably put that intro on this video, so you probably already saw it. I'm also thinking of taking my car to the same spot and kind of doing some similar film angles and put them together to make a short intro. Or maybe if I'm doing a video about the car, use those, and if I'm doing a video of the bike, use these clips. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm just an amateur moto vlogger. I don't know what I'm doing. Just keeping you guys updated with my daily life and people kicking my freaking car. Losers, I will drown you in a bucket of your own blood. Sorry. Anyway, I'm just running out into town, and really that's all I had. Just wanted to make a short video for you guys, update you on that, in case you saw my Instagram or Snapchat stories or wherever I posted it. And I'll do a little before and after picture and get all that nice clean bumper footage, you know what I'm saying? But like, yeah, that's my new bumper, boy. Can't kick my bumper and think I'm gonna keep it scratched up. Nah, fam, I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna look good. Unlike your pathetic life. Not you guys, the guy who kicked the car or whatever. Boop. I wonder if that FedEx truck I passed is gonna like catch back up to me. It's probably like, why'd you do that? This is why no one likes motorcycles. And I'm like, yeah, probably. That was stupid, but, you know, whatever. Alright, before I get off on some weird tangent, love you guys. I'll see you later. I'll catch you next time. Bye! Always remember, if you see damage on your car, check the dash cam footage immediately. And like, I really feel like every time I go to my car now, I'm gonna have to do a walk around and check it for damage, because I can't trust people at my college to not wreck my car when I'm gone. Like, come on. I hate people so much. Anyway, bye!